In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy multiple gift cards at once. If you've ever needed gifts for a group or you're stocking up for future occasions, the good news is that most major retailers let you purchase several gift cards in a single transaction. Just keep in mind that limits and availability can vary by store, and some brands set caps per order or per day, especially for fraud prevention. If you're unsure, look for a gift cards or policies link in the site's footer for details. Start by going to the retailer's gift card page. This could be a large marketplace, a big box store, a supermarket chain, or the brand's own website. If you don't see a gift card link right away, use the site's search bar and type gift card. You'll land on a dedicated page where you can view available designs, denominations, and delivery methods. Next, pick one gift card. Choose the brand and style you want and pay attention to the delivery type. Many sites offer physical cards that ship to you, digital e-gift cards sent by email, or even mobile delivery. Select a denomination that matches your budget or the occasion. Some brands let you enter a custom amount, others have fixed values. It's also a good moment to glance at the terms and conditions, including any fees, restrictions on use, or regional limitations. Now find the quantity control. You'll usually see a plus and minus button or a box where you can type in a number. Increase the quantity from 1 to the exact number of identical cards you need, for example, from 1 to 10. If the site applies a limit, it may stop you at a certain count. That's normal and is set by the retailer. You can always adjust the number before finalizing your order. Add the selection to your cart. Before you move on, double-check the cart summary. Confirm the brand, delivery method, denomination, quantity, and total value. For physical cards, look at shipping options and timelines. For digital cards, confirm the recipient email addresses if you're asked to enter them during checkout. Make sure everything matches your plan since gift card purchases are often non-refundable. Finally, check out once. Proceed through payment as you would for any online order. You'll complete a single transaction covering all the cards you added. Watch for any verification prompts and keep your confirmation email and receipt. For digital cards, delivery can be instant or may take a few hours for security review. Physical cards will arrive based on the shipping method you selected, and that's it. Multiple gift cards, one smooth purchase.